Unetox Clips Prefold Flat Cloth Diapers Fasteners by Suava is one of the best sellers among diaper pins and fasteners products. Description: how to use this diaper clips. The types of fasteners. You only have to search around for one thing in the middle of cleaning up a huge plus. To stretch the snappy fastener inconvenient. 1. Hook left. 2. Stretch across and hook right. 3. Stretch down and hook center. The snappy need go from a T shape to Y shape. The stretch tightly. Specifications: material, abs. Color: red plus blue plus green. Use with Prefold flat diapers. No latex, no silicone, safer than pins, prevent leaks. Size: great for babies 1+. Package included: 6 by baby cloth diaper clips. Note 1. Due to the different monitor and light effect, the actual color of the item might be slightly different from the color showed on the pictures. 2. Please allow slightly measuring deviation due to manual measurement. About shipment: please allow 6 to 28 business days for delivery to any international destinations. Please feel free to contact them if tracking number fails to be updated promptly, or if you have any other question, the manufacturer will try the manufacturer's best to help you. Return policy: Suava promised that refund or resend the item in 24 hours, and you could keep it without returning after confirming if you received broken, damaged or wrong item in 6 months. The manufacturer will arrange returning, or give you some advice that's convenient for you if you dislike the item. The manufacturer will respond in 24 hours, and provide help if you have any question. Safety diaper clip: baby cloth diaper clips can totally beat the safety pins. These diaper buckles are more efficient. They allow for the effective and firm closure of Prefold diapers for maximum absorption and minimal leakage. Strongly hold well. The teeth are strong and hold well, so you don't have to worry about the teeth not griping the cloth or the teeth of the manufacturer's diaper clips going through the diapers and catching on the baby's skin. Easily use. They stretch to the baby's sides to secure the diaper firmly in place, preventing any type of shifting of the diaper. They can be secured quickly and easily to a wiggling child. Multi-purpose. These little suckers are easy to use on cloth refolds and cloth flats, makes cloth diapering so much easier. Simply grab the edges of the elastic, pull back, and the teeth will disengage the diaper easily. Use for repeatedly. This all-in-one fastener is very easy to clean with soap and water and dry quickly. Can be used repeatedly, replaces the diaper pins. One size fit for most toddlers who is 1+.